I discovered a new Forex application on mobile that can actually teach you 25 free lessons completely for free. And this is the application. It is called Go Forex. So go and download it on Google Play Store, right? And type Go Forex. Once you type this, you are going to see the options which are already searched, and therefore you can go with that one or you can use the one you have searched. Okay, so this is the application I'm talking about. Here I already have it. Right, it is installed. So let me just open it. Right, it's this one. So click on it, and I want to show you look at this tab down here. Right, these tabs right here, we have trade, learn, analyze, top, and platforms. So I want you to go to learn, especially if you're a new beginner, and even if you are an advanced trader. Click on learn, and you are going to see free lessons 25. Look, if I scroll down below, you can see we have 25 lessons, right? All the way at the beginning, why do you need to trade Forex? How much can you make trading? When to trade Forex? Basic social trading. And this is when you do not have any skill but you still want to make money from Forex. That is what we call social trading or copy trading. Right, so the other one is smart portfolios, the language of Forex, following the fundamentals, then trading cryptocurrency, guys. You need crypto, investing in stocks vis-a-vis Forex, then gold prices and Forex, crude oil and Forex, navigating the charts, bulls and bears, understanding trends, buying and selling, risk management, support and resistance, chart patterns, candlestick patterns, volume indicator, this one right here, moving average, relative strength index, top-down analysis, top-down trading strategy, pick your trading style, and are you ready for real trading? You see, all these 25 lessons can be very essential for you as a beginner. Even if you are an advanced trader, you can take advantage of them. All right. So one of the ones I like is the fundamental ones. You can take advantage of that one. So if you want, you can also go to trade, and you can be trading these assets you are seeing here at the top. Right. Okay, let's go to analyze real fast, and you can see you can also analyze. You can click here on let's go. Right, and you begin analyzing if you wish. Right. So here they are saying, do you think USD JPY will go up or down? So you can click on any and you see what will happen as you practice on this platform. So when you go to platforms, these are their Forex brokers, or rather brokers they are using or they are promoting here. But as you know me, I usually use 3 brokers. I use XM, XNS, and Believe.com, and I will leave the link in the description. Right, take advantage of this one and thank me later. Right, leave the comment if it was able to help you.